Let us define a relation R in R as A is related to B if A is greater than or equals to B. Then R is, we have to tell whether it is equivalence relation, reflexive, transitive, symmetric. What is it? Okay. First of all, we will discuss about reflexive relation. The relation is reflexive if A is related to A. It means that A is greater than or equals to A as per the case we have given, as per the conditions we have given. That is, A is greater than or equals to B. We can write A is greater than or equals to A. Yes, it is true. A is equals to A because we want identical pairs. Hence, it is true. So, we can say the relation is reflexive. Here, A is related to A. A is related to A. Hence, A is greater than or equals to A. So, we want only equal sign here because we want only A. So, we want A is equals to A. So, it is reflexive because we got the identical pair. Now, if we talk about symmetric, then symmetric relation is a relation where A is related to B, then B must be related to A in the relation. Now, we can see A is greater than or equals to B as per the condition, then there must be B greater than or equals to A. But we have given is A is greater than or equals to B. For equal sign, we can say it is symmetric. But for greater sign as well, we need to consider the greater than sign as well. Okay. Inequality sign as well here. Okay. So here A is greater than or equals to B. Let's say A is 2 and B is 1. So we can say A is greater, 2 is greater than 1. But if we consider 1 is greater than 2, so this is not true. This is incorrect mathematically. It means that B greater than or equals to A is not true. Hence, the relation is not symmetric relation. In case of reflexive, we have to consider only equal part. But in case of symmetry, we have to consider greater than sign as well. So, for greater than sign, it is not symmetric because A is greater than B. B is not a greater than A. So, hence, the relation is not symmetric relation. The next one is transitive. For a transitive relation is A related to B and there is another pair is B related to C, then there must be another pair in the relation that is A related to C. If we consider A is greater than or equals to B and B is greater than or equals to C in the relation, then A must be greater than or equals to C. Here we can see A is already greater than B and B is greater than C. It means that A is already greater than B. Let's say A is 3, B is 2. So 3 is greater than 2 and this 2 is greater than 1. It means that let's say C is 1. It means that 3 is greater than 1 only. So that is A is greater than or equals to C. Hence, it is true. So the relation is, so given relation is transitive relation.